Hello and welcome back. I'm Naith from Locker, and today we're going to see how we can bypass the remote management lock on iPhone. So this is remote management lock. So first you have to visit my website anunlocker.com, and then if you are new on this website, then hit the registration button and complete registration. And if you are old user, then just log in my website. So I have the account, I just log in this website, and then uh, go to the place an order and image service. Okay, now you have to search I hyphen activator, and then you can see I activator MDM bypass. This is called MDM lock, and now you have to download the tool from here. The link is there, and then you have to submit your phone serial number. So I copy the serial number from the tool, and now place order. So after place order, within 2 minutes your serial number will be activated, and now I just open the tool, run as administrator. Okay, you must have to open this tool as run as administrator, and then click the start bypass option. This is very simple process. You don't need to do anything. You no need to be an expert. Just open the tool, connect the phone, and hit the start bypass option. And there takes some time to uh, bypass the MDM lock. So this is not for only iPhone. It also work for all the iPad. If you face the remote management lock issue, then you can try this tool and simply registration your serial number on the website, and that's it. Just open the tool, connect the phone, and hit the click on the start bypass option. So it's take some time, like maybe it's take 2 minutes or 3 minutes to complete the bypass, and you must have to connect the Wi-Fi before start bypass. So your computer must be connected on internet, and your iPad or iPhone also connect to internet. So there is show it's successfully bypass. Now we see the phone rebooting. So this is the phone. It's already success. Now I can remove the cable and closely see the phone screen. So it takes some time to processing. There is take maybe 2 or 3 minutes to make the device ready to use. So wait some time here. So it's open, and now I just continue the setup, and this is very easy process. I think everybody understand how to set up a iPhone after reset or format. So this is just like that, and we are setuping. It's almost done. Wait a moment. This bypass, you can do everything. You can log in iCloud, you can get the notification, you can use SIM card, and everything work fine. So it's open. So thank you so much. Everything is fine. You can log in your Apple account here, and all is done. So thank you so much. See you on the next video. Till then, take care. Tada.